Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to graph the vertex form of the quadratic equation by using step method. In the previous video I have explained you the graphing of the vertex form by using transformations, and today we are going to learn the step method. Okay, let's begin. I have given the vertex form of the quadratic equation, that is y equals to -3 into x plus 5 whole square plus 1. I will graph out this vertex form by using a second method of graphing the vertex form of the quadratic equation, that is called the step method. Okay, in step method we have to compare our given equation with the vertex form, that is y equals to a into x minus h whole square plus k. Let me rewrite the given equation. So that would be y equals to -3 into x minus 5 whole square plus 1. Now let me figure out what is a, h and k. So the a value is -3, h value is -5 and the k is 1. Okay, in step method the first thing we need is the vertex. Okay, in our case the vertex is hk. H value is -5, the k value is 1, so the vertex is -5 and 1. The next thing we need in step method is the opening of the parabola. So opening of parabola deals with the a value. When a value is positive, the opening is upward. When a is negative, opening is downward. Since here the a is -3, so a is negative, so we can say that the opening is downward. The third and the last thing we need in step pattern is in step method is the step pattern. Okay, now what is the step pattern? The first step pattern is over 1, up or down 1a. Means 1 times a, and the a value is -3, so we can do 1 times -3, so that makes -3. The next step pattern is over 1, up or down 3a, so that would be 1 times -3, so that makes, let me erase it. So that is 3 times -3, so that is equals to -9, right? The next step pattern is over 1, up or down 5a. So we have 5 times a, 5 times -3, so that makes -15, and so on. The pattern continues as 1a, 3a, 5a, 7a, 9a, and so on. Okay, to graph the vertex form of the quadratic equation by using a step method, we need the vertex, that is -5 and 1, and we need the step pattern. So the step pattern, what is the step pattern? We have over 1. So this over 1 means we have to move 1 unit to the right and 1 unit to the left, and you can see we have -3, so we have to move down 3 units because it's negative. Again, the next step pattern is over 1, you have to move down 9 units, right? And then over 1, again moving down 15 units because the values are negative, that is why we are moving down. If the values are positive, we have to move up. So let's plot the points, the vertex and the step pattern, to get the graph of the vertex form by using a step method. Okay, I drew the graph, and the first thing that I need is the vertex. So first we need to plot the vertex, that is -5 and 1. So the x value is -5 and the y value is 1. So we have the point -5, 1, the first point, that is called the vertex. Now let's plot the step pattern one by one. So the first step pattern is over 1 and down 3. So when we move over 1, so what we have to do, we are at point -5. Over 1 means we have to move 1 unit to the right side and 1 unit to the left side. When we move 1 unit to the right, we will be at point -4, and when we move 1 unit to the left, we will be at point -6. And down 3 means we are at point 1. When we move down 3 units, 1, 2 and 3 units, so we will be at point -2, right? So my new points are x values are -4 and the y is -2, x is -6 and the y is -2, right? We have done with the first step pattern. So in the second step pattern, we have over 1 and down 9, right? Now for over 1, we are at point -4. When we move 1 unit to the right, it would be at -3, and when we move 1 unit to the left, it would be at -7. And we need to move down 9 units. Now we are at point -2. When we move down 9 units, it would be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 units. After moving down 9 units, we are at point -11. Right? So our new points would be x value is -3 and the y is -11, and x is -7 and the y is -11 over here. Yes. Now same the pattern continues. You have to move over 1 and down 15 and so on. Now I would like to connect all the points to get the curve of this vertex form. After connecting all the points, I have got the parabola and its opening is downward. So that is a graph of the vertex form by using a step method. If you want to watch more and get updated, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you. See you in my next video.